Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I will be showing you guys how to stop Instagram story sharing to Facebook. So are you tired of Instagram stories automatically appearing on Facebook? Don't worry, I will walk you through some steps which will help you fix this issue. So without any further ado, let's delve into the video. Here, what I want you to do is go and open your Instagram. Then tap on the three horizontal like icon present on the top right of your screen. After that, scroll down and tap on sharing and remixes. Then select see apps. So here, after you landed on this page, you will see an option to disable to share your story from Facebook. Tap on it and that's it. From now on, you will not have your Instagram stories posted to Facebook automatically. I hope you found this video useful. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel and also drop a comment down below. Thank you for watching.